Yo, how's it going, guys? So today I'm gonna conclude my three-part series of how to time the market and determine its overall trend. The final tool that I'll show you guys is the T2118 from Worden. What this is an indicator that they've created which represents the percentage of stocks above their 40-day moving averages. On any given day, it will show that percentage of stocks, and you can see that it doesn't really look like much. It just goes up and down with no clear trend. But what I want you to do is add a 10% horizontal line right here and pay attention to that line. Next, you should add one of the indexes. I chose the SPY, so we're gonna boost this opacity right here. And this goes back from 2009, the very end of the stock market crash, all the way to the present. For now, we're going to zoom into the current time period, and let me show you how to use the T2118. So the T2118 is excellent at determining stock market bottoms after major corrections and downtrends. When it falls below that 10% mark, uptrends on volume are likely to take hold and the stock market will recover. For this past winter's correction, you can see that the T2118 bottomed on December 24th at 3.55, which is below that 10% mark. And after that, the uptrend that occurred rallied 20% before this most recent correction. You can also see that if an uptrend was to start right now for this current correction, the T2118 is still too high for that uptrend to actually take hold. So now let's shift on over to the 2008-2009 timeframe and see if the T2118 would have been useful. Sure enough, right here, the T2118 predicts the very bottom of the stock market, and after this point, the stock market continues to rally for the next couple of years. However, you'll also notice that over here and right here, this was a failed rally and this was a failed rally. This shows that while it's really useful, the T2118 isn't infallible, and you should always wait for other indicators and the overall stock market to confirm the uptrend. But with the GMI, MyPCF code, and the T2118, you'll be very knowledgeable about the state of the market, and it will tell you when to be invested or when to be in cash. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys in future videos.